Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. I am Emily Magpali, the reporter of the Elements of Literature. Have you ever wondered what is the elements of literature? First, before we dive in onto what is the elements of literature, first let us know what is literature. Literature is a written or oral work considered to have artistic or intellectual merit, often exploring emotions, ideas, and experience. Pinaagi sa mga sinuyat. Sir, what kind of examples that po? Have you ever read novels, poems, and etc. that are written work? If nakabantay ka mo, kanang matouch bitaw ka mo sa ilang mga siniyatan or mga stories na ato nabasa. No? Later, you will know na uman mamatod no? Dahil may diya mga feelings, uman masabtan man nato ang tagbati nila sa zaon na stories because that will touch or connect to the elements of the literature. Now, let's continue. While the term can broadly refer to any written work, I said, it is more restrictively used for creative and fine writing, like novels, poetry, and drama, that possesses aesthetic quality and cultural value. It is a method of preserving, transmitting, and expressing knowledge, imagination, and culture. Pinagi sa written work. Diba? Now, here, the elements of literature. The topic that I choose. Now, elements of literature is like all the arts, appeal to our senses by way in which the writer uses the tool of medium. Ano daw? Like all the arts, pareha sa arts, translate try in Bisaya, na mapakita sa ato five senses. Right? We can feel it, we are touched by it. Lambot. Ito. Next, it is an inspiration comes to the writer of great literature in three channels. Ano ka, no? Through the emotions, through the intellect, and through the senses. What channels is it? Emotions, intellect, and senses. According to Van de Bogart, year 1970, he said that what man perceives, understands, senses, feels, and thus must be communicated. It means can be summarized it into the important elements of literature. Amo na ini. Ang tuyo ka klase na elements of literature. We have the emotional appeal, intellectual appeal, and the humanistic value. First, the emotional appeal. Emotional appeal is achieved when a literary work deeply moves or touches the reader. Mm. The word emotion. Emotion. The feelings like fear, angry, sadness, happiness. Umay connect sa literature. 'Di ba pag magbasa kita ng mga story, ma-move kita, mabati nato, malipay, masakitan, depende sa story. We have some example written by Ginaline B. Pagay. The title, Tormented. May ni pasabot, gina-torment si main character sa story. If you can read this, mabati nimo ang sitwasyon sa main character. Okay? Ako na lamang example diri ang first paragraph kung nabasahon tanan kay masayang nga ako oras. Diri nasuyat niya na, this night is a misery and I am miserable. Just like the mini night that passed away. The room is so cold, my bed is empty. The light is spilled and my heart is suffering once more. Diba? Igor ako nagbasa na feel nimo ng imo kwarto matignaw. Orang isa kwarto tignaw. Sanan? Empty. Ang suga, di ko na may malaga. Sanang isa kasing-kasing. Naga-suffer. Diba? Nalubat na. Wait, anay kadali. Charge it. Now let's continue. Iguratan nagbasa, pero na-touch kita. Na-move kita. Long panganit dere, in the next sentence, writers is skillfully transform words into scenes in stimulating image. Diba? Wiya nato makita ang picture pero pinaagi sa pagsuyat na kita nato through imagination. Evoking powerful feelings and visceral reactions. Diba? Grabe ka powerful. Inin, emotional appeal. Okay. You already read or knows the poetry's powers. Emotions often predominate in poetry. Rhythm, imagery, and metaphor combine to create profound emotional resonance. Every word is chosen for its impact on the reader's heart and minds. Hay naka-center sa heart and mind ng mga tao na nagbasa. Okay, let's move to the second element, which is we call the intellectual appeal. Intellectual appeal is a literature with intellectual appeals that adds knowledge and informations and serves to remind the reader of what they might have forgotten. Daan naman nato na sabta the word intellect kahibayo. Then mabasa sa nato there is a definitions na naghatag ng knowledge or mga informations na nagpa-remind sa ato ng mga butang na ato na nahikalimtan. Kung may examples ng ini, ang tagsuyat ni Dr. Rizal. O manad to, no limit ang gire sanan el filibusterismo. Diba? Nagatag ini ng very deep insight into the socio-political climate of the Philippines. Diba? Dire, nakasuyat sa example ni Dr. Rizal. Example ini. Ngadto sa el filibusterismo. O may ngadto nakasuyat. Don't you realize that it is a useless life which is not consecrated to a great idea. It is a stone wasted in the fields without becoming part of any edifice. Grabe kalayo miyak sabot. Diba? If ato ini sabton nagatag sa ato ng informations or wisdom, knowledge na nakapabright sa ato, na nakita nato kung uno man ng mga butang ang ato na mga nahikalimtan. Okay? Rizal's philosophical ideas underscore the importance of dedicating oneself to a greater purpose, urging readers to seek meaning beyond individual existence and contribute to a larger societal edifice. Diba? Nagapahatag inig daghang kaalam pinaagi sa pagbasa pareha ng el filibusterismo o no limit hungry na mga pabrights ay sa katawo. Diba? Nabayalong? Adds knowledge and information. That is the intellectual appeal. Now let's move on to the last but not the least, the elements of literatures we call humanistic value. A humanistic value is a literary work possesses humanistic value when it transforms the reader, fostering a better outlook on life and a clearer understanding of their inner self. Such literature aims to elevate human dignity by imparting a sense of value and purpose. I don't know any kind of books that change the persons, but I know a lot. But I don't know which is called ba na novels. Basta, kinds of book that gives you a motivation. Diba? Amin niyang kasabot na. Atawan ko. It is a humanistic value when it transforms the reader. Pinaagi sa pagbasa nimo ng uno man jaon novels ba, drama, poetry, etc. Nakanang makapabag-us sa imo. Makapaklaro ang imo panlantaw sa iba na tao or sa imo kaugalingon. Naigo ramang ka dapat nagbasa. Like for example, Biblia. Diba? Igo ramang ka nagbasa. But when you understand it and apply it, you are changing into a much better person. Diba? Ikaw mo nabasa. Pero nabago ka. Gina-transform ka. Ginapataas ang imo perspective. No, naganig mga klase ng mga libro or novels na nakapabag-o sa ato. Nabisan na ganay ko na yung makabasa dito ng gagmay ng mga details, pero lag yung mga meaning na na-feel nato naigo kita, mas nasabtan nato ito kagalingon. Dito ta mabag-o. Mga situational man zaon, or mga decided moment na dapat himo na nga tunay sa katao sa nabasa nimo na makapabag-o sa ija. Na nakita sab nimo nagihimo niya, na-feel nimo. Na-touch ka, na-move ka, na-atasin ng knowledge. Tapos, na-apply niyo mo. Hindi na bago ka. Kunitado lang to yun. Ay, dapat mo itong question na to. Okay. Like for examples in here. Dirita. What would have happened if she had never lost those jewels? Who knows? Who knows? How strange life is, how fickle, how little is needed to ruin or to save. This was written by Guy de Maupassant with the title The Necklace. Diba? Sa gamay-gamay ra na butang ang necklace na nawaya ng isa ka baji, kadako ang nabag-o sa ija. Nakatag ng sabot sa ato na every small little things or things in life or objects na bisan kon mawaya pwede makababag sa ato. Huh! 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 Napisabot. Kaya mga din yung nabasa na ako diri, di ba? How strange life is so fickle, how little is needed to ruin or to save, no? Uli pasabot, kaya nawaya mangunidya ang jewels. Ang pagkawaya ng jewels, nabagawin sa kinabuhi. Hindi ko nauno siya, na pobre ba siguro, na purdoy, or ano ba. Basta, dako ang nabago ang pagkawaya sa ija, necklace. Ang mga ito nagpakasabot na katag sa ito ng kaimportante sa mga butkagmay na mga butang sa ito mga pagsabot, no? Ina-transform kita sa pagpahatag ng mga pagpapahalaga sa mga butang. Para yan kung mawad ang ng gunting. Magkayab-kayab, di ba kata? Bagan, kaya na to? Kat ka dyan. Di ba? Ano po ka kung decrease zero or kulintas na diamond? Hindi ba nga ako siguro ka kumawaya? Irambot na pasabot at ba na ginatagan ng importansya ang mga gamay ng mga butang. Ginatagan mo guys sense of value. Sa nandiyan mga purpose bitaw. Oh. And that is the last elements. Now, in conclusion, literature is far more than just written words. It is an art form that moves our emotions, sharpens our intellect, and elevates our human value. Thank you very much. I am Eman V. Magpali, the reporter of the Elements of Literatures. I hope you understand, like, and subscribe. Thank you.